Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Oh, finally. Finally, let's see the one there. The one that is being try to see if I put my change color the heat. Didn't came on here for all that, but I appreciate the gifts, guys. It's a show I go on, you know? I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. everything gone. Yeah, the heat, no? That's great, yeah. Change the heat. again. Reggae park Honda Superior. Lost everything. Everything is burned. Equipment, vehicles, everything. Everything. And even next door, people's houses are on fire. Right next door. You can see. You can see the fire through that channel. Those are people's houses. Notice the fire truck is on that side as well. Not a good day for many. Around the car, right next door. But they have more vehicles and stuff. The fire is going all the way back on the stretch behind us. So we are going all the way down, like you're going back down to Waltham side. For who know the area. People house, other business space. Great. As well, all of those. I can't even count the amount of cars. They already lost. Sad. Sad. Angle, guys. Stay with me.
Welcome to Settlers Dance. This is the place where you can get quality music. Settlers
Show me the better. My post burn up.
Before that, this way come up on the life. Now this gas coming down well enough. The life was like that fire coming down well.
It's rough. But the smoke cause place is dark. Watch it, look how down the can't see nothing. It's a main road. Watch it. Can't see nothing down the line. Watch it. It's crazy. Yeah. No, but come on. Them boy they could have just. Them could have saved them. Oh. Yeah. Insurance for them, yeah? True. With the insurance, yeah? No, sir. You know nobody will pay insurance. Yeah, true. So when that goes, but that way it's crazy because the breeze are carrying the fire that way. Yeah, man. Big greenhouse behind it. You can see the fire in it. Oh, the one where it just like inside right. Front part alright when the moving vehicle and I say behind fire see there? You can see from here? Oh it's just beside it now but you can't really see inside. You can't really see inside. But if you come from that so alright. Yeah man it's alright. From here. But to the side I find see crossover why I won't touch it. You hear me? Yeah it must. Yeah it touch it. No, himself house go down all the way down to the road. To the road down there, so. Round over there, so. So in this line, right here. Yeah. Yeah. If you notice, even the trees, them trees that we are looking on is on the other side of the road, you know. Right. If you notice. Yeah, that big tree there. Across the road? Yeah. Oh God, I'm people that they are work and then get a call to more crowd around us than right us now. I'm going around us to go see.
Right now, if the direction changes, we can't go
It's crazy though.
Yeah, but you don't know how long them a black up. I want to fuck them.
And hard to know. But yeah, I work on us yesterday, I was gone. I mean, no, look what everything was. Funny to laugh, but boy. Got burned down and other business place alongside line multiple vehicles, iron vehicles attacked. BMW planes, Hondas, sure. Bikes. One of them used to come from by them, Honda Superior most bikers buy them bikes. All them they gone.
Anywhere want to them take.
Thanks for the good stories. Sky dark, People start crying already. Who will lose the mouse. Other people are crying. Also, we never want to put them on camera, but you know, this is them livelihood. One girl, she break down because, you know, she's out of her job now, back to school, you know, this is basically starting over. School right on the corner and out of a job now. Who can request paycheck now? Working for them, you understand? And the boss just lose everything. Who get paid now? You get me? Rough man. Just hope everything ensure. So even if him lose everything like this now, he will regain back him money. Thing about it, you know, the bigger heads are always alright. You know. People with the money are always alright. But it's for those now who are going to lose a lot. Like people with them house and something. That's all. The real time, you can't have some more kind of guys. I'll move from on that. Can't tell a smoker guys to move. This house and that's it. The money account fire, it's about 100 fire.
Come here, so with the truck and have a feature over your side.
They want to try to save the house here. So, they might do a good job. So when it's a dark and when it's a bright, smoke and the breeze and everything that side. Go back up on the higher ground.
Mighty God!
John Star. Guys, I'm so in your life. No man, there's a lot of truck there, man. They have 2 here. They have about 4 around the other side. People house abundant, you know, other business place, and so 1 around this up. So 2 more. So this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this vicinity alone. But around the other side, they have another about 10 or more. But there are fire trucks around that side as well. There's a lot of them, man. A lot of them. So this is Kingston on Hagley Park Road. Here to half a tree. Sapiro that had all of those nice cars and bike and things, the big business there, yeah. Anybody who know Hagley Park Road will know Honda Sapiro. Enough people out of a job now, going into back to school. There's a lot of employees was here, but nothing left of this. So no work tomorrow, no work for a good while, some. For a lot of them. Everybody who's on the live can give me a follow. Not that I'm here about, but I'll appreciate you guys if you guys just hit a follow. Question: what causes? More water trucks that come. More trucks still coming in. Because this is the least of it, everything done already on the front, but at the back the fire is still going. Still I try to save people house who lives in the area. because of the sunlight, and the phone screen really dark now. So we can't read all the comments, alright? But again, it's on Hagley Park Road. A little up the road from 3 miles and down the road from half a tree. Do it one do already, so you can like it a calm. Do it one do already, so it's a calm. Yeah, run so. Yeah, because that's still a blaze I run so. So the smoke you have to get too strong. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it.
So I would have to approach it different from them. I would have
it's like them can't move until it's completely done. Yeah. So my friend here, we don't know enough.
Them can't control it for sure. A waste of time. No matter a waste of time is. Waste of time. Choking them never, man. So hold on. Nobody now say me give them dog. People do not say me you give them people. Alright, I see Chin. Chin, I see a while ago, Chin. Chin, I can't smoke broke people up on the life. Alright, dancer. I'm bad for that, dancer. Bad for that. Yeah, man, people, that's the man. 1 and 2 make a muck, man. 1 and 2, come in, man. If it's a rose and I'm going to sell it, bro. I'm selling the gift in the bro and stop most of dog. No long my there, so I try to go on a good view, but they eat a bun, my dog. What do you mean? People don't come in, Rudy. Come in, people. Riri. That is it, Riri. Show up look cap of them on the live, Riri. Show up look broke people them on the live.
Yo, push him over there.
Push him over there. Who was that? I don't foam that neither. I water that. The pressure I water low.
Alright, see them are turning on the water right there, sir. Them are turning on the right there, sir. They send you over there. Yo, me think that. Oh, I solar panel. I solar panel mean so I beg them two a day. I beg them two I solar panel a day. Now give me it.
More pressure.
People send 2 gifts, come give me, man. Send 2 gifts. Come give me people. Man, good on this for sure, but there are 2 policemen there, right? There's some people that block me off. Like they don't want me to get me local cherry. This thing, this. That's
almost formed that. That's all the way till it done.
alright, people. So see me come across and place here now. And then see me walk here, so then go and run my butt. I take my time and come near when I can get. So a new piece of fire there. Look. You see it? One new piece of fire. Oh God, man. Oh, the truck can fix the water waste and it's Jesus Christ. How can I water truck this? Watch it, people. Oh God, man, see what I water waste and it's watch it. So a new piece of fire, people. See new fire that we have burnt. A base solar panel and sitting there in the super cup. Right there, so. Look. You see? Watch it. See the whole of water waste under this one. All the water and waste under this one will be out the fire. Oh God, no. Not
Yeah, wicked man.
See if I can go up here, so go show you sitting right there, some people. So yeah, see there? See the people eat and kill me up here, son. Fire eat and kill me. Not tap up the screen because I have a gun up here, so fire eat too hot up here, so. Eat no pretty. Right there, sir. Jesus Almighty God. Eat mad right there, so you see it, people? Oh God, man, watch out. No bike, no left, people, watch it. Any man who have no bike in a Jamaica, better save the parts. And no parts are there, feet. You see it? Okay. Come like over here, so if I like me turn up in the fire. Okay, me turn up in the fire, people. No tap up the screen, me I couldn't. Watch it. So remember right there, so it's full of bike. No, that's how it's full of bike. No bike, all the iron bun. All the vehicle bun up right there, so it park up there, so. You see the right there, so? Look on down there, so. There's a stretch going back on avenue. So an upstairs building over there, so like an house over there, so. See that, they're bound down. Oh God, man. Watch it. Fire pole go fireman right there. So they can't do nothing. You see them? Watch it. People more with 100 views in a no time, 100 likes, 100 likes. Everybody they buy so 1,000 other one, 1,000 other one give me a follow. Please and thanks. 1,000 other one give me a follow. Please and thanks. Share the live after me. Right, that's why I turn to become like me a fireman do all the heat. That much can look the whole of water waste out on this. The whole of water waste out on this. Now my can do it, touch it to the hygiene up there. I lock you off, right? If I man lock you off.
Take a break.
It's right. Ahoy! No, but watch you know. At night time, I don't have no water, I look for water party back road. And any time after 5 o'clock, the water lock off. I bet they don't lock it off tonight. If them ever lock off it tonight, I shall have water the whole night tonight. I shall have water the whole night tonight, people. More which are 100 likes and I know.